How to add product options to a WIX store. So first go to your dashboard and then just click on catalog. Okay, now click on products here. Next is choose among your products that you want to edit. So let's say this one. Click on the three dots here, then just click on edit product. Okay, let's say I chose this product to add options. So scroll down and look for product options, then just click on add options here, and then of course type in the option name. So for example, I want to use size, and then choose among these two here, either showing product page as a list or a color. Let's just say I'll choose list, and then type in the choices for this option. For example, I'll choose 250 ml, or you can just add all of them, then just click on add, and there you go. Now you have an option for this product. If you want to add another another option, just click on add another option, then rinse and repeat, and after that just click on save. Okay, now there you go. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.